We begin tonight with continuing coverage of the former Michigan State Trooper accused of killing a man with his patrol vehicle. The preliminary hearing for the former trooper ended just a few minutes ago. The judge still now has to decide if there is enough evidence to send former Michigan State Trooper Brian Keeley to trial for the death of Samuel Sterling. Sterling died in April after he ran from police and was hit by Keeley's cruiser during a chase. 13 on your side's Callie Lichter was there all day. She joins us now live from outside District Court in Kentwood. Callie.
Juliet, it was an emotional 4.5 hours inside that courtroom today, and many, including Sterling's mother, had to leave the courtroom when video footage was shown of Keeley pinning Sterling to the Burger King. Now, we heard from a state trooper and a local police sergeant who were on scene in April, along with a state trooper who investigated the scene after the incident. Like I said, we saw the body cam footage from an officer and a trooper from that day, along with video from inside the Burger King, which shows a different angle of the incident. There was a witness who was going to provide forensic testimony to the video, but he was dismissed after some arguments between the defense and the prosecution. The police were surveilling Sterling and decided to call in more support, like the state troopers, after they thought he would have weapons and was dangerous. He did not have weapons on him while he was apprehended. The prosecution says Keeley did great bodily harm and that using a vehicle to chase someone on foot is dangerous. But the defense argues Sterling was a dangerous suspect. He even threatened his own father. They also say Keeley showed no malice, no intent, and that all charges should be dismissed. But the prosecution came back and said that Keeley should not have used his vehicle to directly apprehend Sterling and pin him against the Burger King when other officers got out of their vehicles and chased him on foot. A reconstructionist with the state police did say that Keeley's car did not hit the Burger King and that his car was pinning Sterling to the Burger King.
It's your testimony that the vehicle never hit the building?
That's correct.
Didn't you find scuff mark on the building?
I did. It was a bluish color that was about the color of Mr. Sterling's blue jeans.
Now, so you don't believe this car ever touched the building?
I don't see any evidence that it did.
The judge dismissed the court today without making a ruling on the issue. She will be announcing her decision over Zoom on August 22nd, regardless of the outcome of the federal investigation into the same case, which is taking place on August 21st. Live from Kentwood, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.